Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can create a poll in your Discord. So first of all, you need to create an account in Discord, or if you don't have any account in Discord, just create an account and log into it, and you will find out this kind of interface in your Discord. Once you create an account, just visit a new place that is top.gg. I already pasted this link in description, just check it out. And once you visit in top.gg, just type down simple poll, and once you type down, you need to click or hit the enter button, or you can type or mouse click in this search button. Once you click here, it will redirect you to a new page where you will find out this simple poll server, and here you need to click on invite. Once you click here, it will take a time and it will redirect you to the Discord server. Here you need to add a server here, like I have a server that is WIMP server, so just associate this server with simple poll and create continue, and they will ask you to some question. You just need to tick down all these questions and click on authorize, and they will give you a task that will be, are you human or not? Just click over here and fulfill all the requirement. Once you complete, your simple poll will be added in your Discord server. Now you may close this window or tab. So here you can see your simple poll has been added to this server, so you can do whatever you want right now. Just click or visit here, and here you can see our simple poll has been added our server. So here just click on this button and you will find out poll option, and here just click on enter, or you can write down something like, did you like our video, and click hit, and you can see they make our poll here. So this is really simplest way to make a poll in a Discord server. I hope you find out this video is helpful for you. If you found out this video is helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.